Perfect. Okay. All right, guys, let's move on very quickly. Ayush, this is, sorry, not Ayush, Yash, this is just for you. It is compulsory to make sure that you turn on your video and mute your microphone. Always rename yourself, which you all have done. Use the chat function and use the raise your hand function and use the reaction button. If you need to be going to the toilet, just raise your, let me know from the chat function. Give me a second. I'm supposed to put my background. Alrighty, that's better. Okay. Let's start. I've got no idea who made that mark there, but let's start with grammar MCQ. So very, very quickly, a red car in front of us is moving very, very slowly. Hang on one second. 1, 2, 3, 4. So many things here. All right, so maybe we'll start with let's start with A. Ayush, and after no AI. Sorry, Aiman, start first. Aiman, could you give me the answer for this? Could you read the sentence and give me the answer, please?
The red car in front of our bus is moving very slowly.
All right, so why is it the and not a?
Not sure.
Okay, this is where I'm going to explain to you. So everybody please pay attention. In English, there are articles, okay? In English, there are 3 articles. All right, I'm writing here for you. And those 3 articles are a, an, and the. There are only 3 articles in English. And between a, and the, a and, or maybe I should do this on the last page. Give me a second. So you guys, oh, sorry, showed you all the answers. Then you all can, oops. Oh, come on. All right, is that better? Okay, so let me just go through. In English, there are articles. And in articles, there are 3 articles. All right, a, an, and the. All right, can anybody tell me what is the difference between a, an, and the? Anybody? Come on, guys, I've taught this many times.
And is only used for vowels.
No, okay, I know what you're coming to, the a and n. But in this specifically, when I say, Javen, go and slap a boy. All right, Haley, go and take a book. It could be anything. It is not definite. But if I say, Ayush, go and slap the boy. Ayman, go and take the book. So a and n, what we call them is indefinite because we are not sure what it is. All right, go and slap a boy. It could be any boy in your school. Go and slap the boy who scolded you. Then I know it is that specific boy. All right, the is definite. So in other words, if I can give you, hang on, yeah. This is specific, while this is not specific. Are y'all getting it? So in English, there are only 3 articles, a, an, and the. And every time we introduce a new topic or a new, we will say a. All right, a table. I went and sat at a table. At a table. The table that I was sitting at, all right, had a stain on it. I repeat, I went to sit at a table. The table I was sitting, because you have already identified the table that you're sitting. Now the next sentence will be I went to slap a boy. The boy that I slapped. You get it? The first time I say a boy, the next one I say the. Because a is when you're not specific and the is when it's specific. So let's go back to 1 second. So let's go back to Ayman's question, right? Why is it the and not a? It is because it is identified as the car in front of our bus. What is the bus or what is the car? It is in front of our bus. Because we have identified it, the answer is the red car. So the answer is C. Understand? So I don't just want you guys to get the right answer. I want you to know why. All right, let's move on very quickly. Number 2, Ayush, can you read this and give me the answer, please?
and Mrs. Tan are trying to think of a good name for their newborn baby girl.
Yes, so it is a good name because they haven't found it yet, okay? After they have found the name, then they will say, the name I have chosen for my girl is... All right, so in this way, the answer is A. All right, thank you. Number 3, can I have Haley? Can you do number 3?
That chair is made of something plastic, so it's very light.
So is that A and the or none? What's your answer, sweetie? Don't worry. Class is where we make all the mistakes. Make the mistakes in the class. During exams where we don't make mistakes. Haley, what is your answer, darling?
D.
Thank you. The chair is made of plastic, so it's very light. Answer is D because you do not need to make a reference to plastic. Plastic is a generic material. All right, so the chair is made of plastic, so it is very light. Answer is D. Thank you. Who have I not chosen? Yesh, number 4. Oh, sorry, we forgotten Javen. Javen, number 4, and then Yesh, number 5. Javen, 4. In Singapore, never go outside without... Javen?
A.
Javen? Javen, are you speaking? Because I can't hear you.
He said A.
I really cannot hear him. Javen, are you speaking?
Yeah.
What's the answer?
B.
Javen, just make make a guess, darling.
I heard him say B.
B. Okay, I can't hear. I don't know why. Okay, never go outside without an umbrella. Thank you. All right. And this is where Yash was saying, right? You put A and N in front of vowels. All right. So that's the part B. All right. 5. Yash, this is your turn. There's dash photograph of Nancy's father in a wallet. Yash?
A.
Thank you. There is a photograph of Nancy's father in a wallet. Well done. All right, guys, quickly tell me how many marks you all got out of 5. Ayush, how many marks? Quick
5.
guide. Thank you. Aiman? 5. Aiman, you look very, very tired today. Are you okay?
I just slept.
You just what?
Slept.
Oh, are you okay? You want to go wash your face?
I already washed my face.
Okay, all right. Poor thing, you look very tired. Javen, how much do you, Aiman, how much? Am I got 5? Ayush got 5. Javen, how much do you get? 5. Well done. Kaylee? 5. And Yesh? Fantastic. All right, let's move on. All right, next we're going to go on, now that we've finished the grammar MCQ, especially about articles, we're going to go on to vocabulary. So let's try this. I think we've got 5 questions as well. Again, I repeat, 6 is going to be Aiman, 7 is going to be Ayush, 8 is going to be Haley, 9 is going to be 8 is going to be Haley, 9 is going to be Javen, and 10 is going to be Yesh. All right, so let's start with 6. Aiman, could you read the first sentence for me?
The police in city center had made a shocking disclosure that some police officers have been stolen from a laundry shop.
So funny, okay? Police uniforms have been stolen. Oh, somebody's going to impersonate. All right, what's the answer for disclosure?
B.
All right, disclosure means they made a discovery. All right, disclosure in this sense means, all right, they made a discovery. All right, that they have stolen. Okay, they can't make a notification, they can't make an advisory or a narration, but they basically found out. 7. Next question, please. Ayush?
Yeah.
Answer, please.
Poach.
Sorry? What?
Poach.
Poach. Okay, that's wrong. All right, poaching has got this idea as okay, actually that is more to do with animals. So you poach.
Got it.
This one is stolen. So stolen has this idea of not poaching, which is true for animals, but in this case, uniforms have not been poached from a laundry shop. Anybody wants to help him out? Abscond means to run away. Embezzle means has got to do with money. So the answer is pilfered. Pilfered. Learn this word, yeah? Pilfered. Uniforms have been pilfered. Number 9, Haley.
Toilet.
Yes, go. Number 9, Haley. Perpetrators. 7 sets of the police uniforms have gone missing. It is feared that the perpetrators of the crime may use the stolen uniforms to impersonate police officers. Perpetrators of the crime. So use, even if you have never come across this word, use what I call contextual clues. Perpetrators of the crime. So what do you think it is?
B.
Culprits. Thank you. Perpetrators, the culprits of the crime. Thank you. 9, Javen. To impersonate police officers to deceive members. So if you don't know what is impersonate, but you know they're trying to deceive the member. So how do you deceive? By trying to what?
Pose as.
Pose as. Thank you. Impersonate means to pose as. So they were pretending to be police officers, right? To pretend. All right. 10, Yesh. From now on, all uniform purporting to be police officers are required to show. Yesh, what is number 10? Yesh?
Representing.
No, not representing, it's professing. All right, all of them professing to be police officers. So this one's a bit tough, yeah? C. Answer is C. All right, can I have a quick show of how much have we gotten? And then we're going to start on our composition already. Ayush has gotten 4. Javen has gotten 4. Ayman has gotten 4. Yesh? 3. Haley? Oh, Yesh 4. Oh, looks like everybody got 4. All right, no worries. Let's move on. All right, today what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of composition. All right, and what we're going to focus on today is the resolution of a composition. So the resolution of a composition is important because it is your last chance. That is the last thing that your marker reads before giving you the marks. Am I right? So it's your last chance to reassure the markers or the readers that you have answered the question. All right. So a common mistake is, in fact, I've been teaching for 15 years, and this is very, very common among students. A lot of the students make this mistake because they rush to the last paragraph or they write an extremely brief means extremely short. Brief means very short paragraph. All right. So I don't want you guys to do that mistake. Okay. Remember, the last paragraph gives the reader a closure. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, let's move on. So what are the components of the last paragraph? I'm going to actually teach you a few methods here. So I need you all to be able to read it, okay? So we have got quite a bit here. We've got flash forward, we've got introspection, we've got tear jerker, we've got lesson learned, we've got consequence, we've got mention of topic. So you might be thinking, oh, Miss Gloria, I don't know what you're talking about. Don't worry, we're going to go this step by step. And throughout this entire lesson, this is the order that we're going to go. Ayman goes first, Ayush goes second, alphabetically. Javen goes third. Haley goes third. Javen goes fourth, and Yash goes fifth. All right, this is the order.
Wait, what's number 4?
Sorry, what?
What's the 4th one?
H comes before J1. Ayman,
Okay.
AI, AY, Ayush number 2. J, Haley, after H, H-I-J. Correct lah. After Haley is Javen, after Javen is Yash. All right, got it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, flash forward. So again, I'm going to teach you different ways to end a last paragraph. Let's read the flash forward method. Ayman?
Used to show a jump in time at the end of the story. Must be used if we have started with a flashback. Good to show a long-lasting effect or consequences.
Long-lasting, darling. Long-lasting effects or consequences. All right, so this flash forward, all right, if you started with a flashback, okay,